Okay, so I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna send it to you. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Empower Network. So I'm gonna log into it. So I'm doing it from scratch. Okay, so you can look it over. So you log in. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get your actual capture page. So you're gonna go right here where the red I is. I is for all your links. So just think of it like that. Okay. So I go to iPass. So marketing, check your funnels. I'm trying to think what else. Your leads. Okay. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your marketing links here. All right. Now scroll down. Okay. This right here. This is what you're going to use in the beginning to capture their emails. Very important to capture their emails. And this is what it looks like. This one right here, this is what you're going to use for the sales page. So once you actually build your buyers or build your email list, you're going to use this one or this one. Okay, this is $1. This is $7. Okay, now this is how you copy it. This is how you edit it. And this is how you preview it. So you copy it, it says copy. And then what I do is I open up another browser and then I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to right click it and paste it. Now, this showed up because it remembered what I put in before. Yours is going to show up to right here. So, okay, this is your ID right here. Very, very important. So every time you put anything online, you always want to code it. And that's why I kind of have this AND equals. So we're going to code it with today's date, which is the 17th. So I'm going to keep the AND AD. I'm going to get rid of this, or ampersand AD, put it right next to the 4. And then I'm going to put 2.17.16. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this whole thing. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to save it. So I did a Control-C because I copied it. So I copied it and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now the reason why I'm going to hit enter is because I want to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes. Okay. And you want to make sure it goes to this page. All right. And this is called tagging. So you put that on there so you can tag it. All right. So now when I go to my whatever I want to put it on, so I want people to click on this, you can highlight it. We already copied it, but I'm going to show you. Just highlight it, copy it again. We're going to go to our blog. So right here's our blog. Okay. So let's say I want to attach it to this right here where it says test. Okay. So I highlight test. And right here where this chain link is, I click on the chain link. And then I paste it here. So what I like to do is I like to get rid of everything first, so it's clear, and I do a Control-V. Okay, and I go all the way over just to double check. Yep, that looks good. And then I add the link. And when you add it, you'll see it turns this color. Now what you could do is you could always save your draft when you're done with everything. Or as you're typing temporarily, I would save it just so you have some something, because sometimes it gets stuck or it might freeze or something. So that way at least you have some data saved. So now when I preview it, I'm gonna click on preview. And this is going to show what the blog is going to look like. So this is my link. So if I scroll down to it, you see at the bottom down here, I'm going to go down to the bottom. I move my cursor, but if you look at the bottom, you can see right here, www.totalshortcut. Okay, so if I click on it, let's see what happens. It opens it up, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, so I click out of that. So that's letting me know that's perfect. Okay. So that's how you put in hyperlinks. And then to go back, what I do is I just right next to this tab here, I just go to edit, and then I can go back and finish editing whatever I need to. So make sure you don't click out the edit. Always keep that. And then when you view posts, it's going to open up right next to it. And you just always go back to edit to, tighten up whatever you need to tighten up. And just make sure whenever you get done, you always go down to the SEO keywords. Always put your name here, because people are going to be trying to find you. They're going to be looking at you, trying to, figure out who you are and that type of thing. They want to look at your other posts. Put your name here and put some keywords here so people can find you. And then another thing that's important too is make sure you put a check what you're talking about. So because you're starting a 21-day blogging, I would do that. That allows people to find you a lot faster too. And then when you get done, you just want to make sure you click publish. Okay. Any other questions while I'm on this? What's that?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing this. I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to send it to you.